Hello and welcome to a new collection. This is the collection artCrush number 18. And as you can see, I have new previews for the artCrush collections. And I hope you gonna like it, and I hope you like this video. So let's go directly to the creative team members work here. So colorful, and I love this squeezy yellow orange what we have here with the intense pink, and I really love to create this collection. I added oranges, lemons, and flowers, and doodles, and a lot of little stems you can get. But let's see what we have all created here for you. A huge range of different papers are included, which you can see when we go through the folders, and of course colorful ones, and we have a lot of artsy bits. But don't talk too much, let's go into the folder. We start with the artsy bits and pieces. When you get your downloads, you will get two downloads for this collection because the packs are really huge. It's double size what I have this time on artsy bits. I guess it's 73 different pieces in the artsy bits and pieces. So let's start it here. What you can see here, a lot of artsy bits, pre-created, and watercolor. I used a lot of watercolor combined with flowers and stains here, and we have here some doodling, flowers, and yes, what shall I say? I think you will love it to create your pages with all those fantastic bits here. We have different frames, and now we have the different fruits here. We have oranges, lemons, and mandarin, and they are created a kind of a retro feeling, so they are have a little bit of a texture on. Then we have some tapes here. We have magic lights as well. Then we have some mandalas, which I've drawn by myself and on my iPad, and added them for you in black and white versions, and also some with here a little bit more texture in. And then we have a marble, a nail head, and we have some paper clips, little stickers here, staple, so you can pin the stickers on your pages, a string, a little texture with a heart on. We have some watercolor pieces, and a flower button, chain, whatever. So this is the whole pack of the artsy bits and pieces, and it's really fully packed with a lot of stuff, and you will have so much fun to create with them your summer pages. Then we have an alpha. It's an orange alpha. It does have the texture and the form of an orange, and it's also in orange. So you get here in this alpha uppercase, lowercase, numbers, signs, and I think it's really fun and stand out when you use this kind of alpha for your layouts. Then we have the next folders are the art canvas. So I think this is now the third version of those art canvas, and I noticed that they are more and more liked, and that's why I've created another pack here. The art canvas are like really simple layouts, but they look like drawn by hand, and this is what they are. Really, I have drawn the frames on a paper, scanned them, worked them in Photoshop, and this is the result. And all the art canvas from the last few artCrush collections, they fit perfectly together. They have the same size, they have the same measures, the same frames, so you can mix and match them perfectly with each other. Everything is clipped, so you can move that around. You can turn one off. You can clip your images. You can clip papers on it. You can whatever you want to. So they are very versatile. Plus, I have added a PNG file. No, not one. A lot more. PNG, you get 98 different PNG files here, and also one ABR file with all the little stamps here. They are all black, they are all doodled and hand drawn, so they are very unique. And this is what you get here. They are simple. They are pretty cool, and this is how they look like. Well, a lot of arrows here. They are so versatile to use, and they will give you so much fun to use them on your pages, and you can use them really on and on in different collection for different layouts. You can combine them, you can fill them with colors, you can stamp them with different colors, so this is all up to you. So these are the art canvas packs, so you get 3 12x12 templates plus the pack with the stamps. Now we have the paper mix, and I have again added, you get 9 different letter-sized papers. Same versions as a 12x12 paper, and then you get 12x12 solid papers. So altogether you get 27 different papers in this pack. Pre-designed, this is one of my favorite because of the white framing around, and this would be perfect if you create a card for someone. You can add here a little bit of a text and maybe some more artsy bits. You can use the orange alpha, and make an invitation for a garden party. So pretty much to use and for different occasions. So and this is the paper mix here for the artCrush number 18. And then we have the word art pack. So these are the word arts here. Extra bought this really pretty cool font. I love it. It's nice and chunky and bold, and in combination with the serif font here, I really like that. So these are the word arts, plus I've added some paper pieces here, and also some loopy-loosas, and this is how they look like. And in combination, you can place them on top of each other, and yes, I think they're fun to use. Also, I've added here an ABR file with the word arts and the paper pieces for you. This is also included in this pack. So this is it, short video because only 5 packs for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment if you have any question. Please feel free to jump into the Artology group. A link you can find here in the All About NBK-Design folder in your order packs. And yes, join my YouTube channel to watch the videos what I've created in the past and in the future as well. So this is it. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a happy time, and we're gonna see us in the next one. Bye.